One of my students asked a question about how to create engraving scroll drawings, so I decided to make a new section specified for questions and answers so that anyone can benefit from it. In the answers, I will introduce some new tools and how to use them, in addition to new tips and tricks to help and speed up the use of the program. So let's start. Now, the question is how to create thick and thin engraving strokes that create cross-hatch effect like in the work of Sam Alfano. Example, there is an example from YouTube. Second, directional lines that create thick and thin strokes. To explain, I am attaching screenshots of examples like some people create on the internet. I watched the video and take screenshot to the 4 basic shading styles and paste it in a new document, as you can see. Now, I will explain 2 methods to draw them. The first method is to draw manually by using Bezier tool. Zoom in and select Bezier tool. Add node to first step, then add second node to end step, then close the shape. Now double click on Shape tool to select all nodes and convert to curve. Now fit curve to the edge. Click and drag to fit the second edge. Now use node handles to refine the lines. Left click to fill with color and right click to remove stroke. Select Pick tool. Right click, hold and drag, release and copy here. Scale. Then with Shape tool, fit in place. Repeat the same steps to draw the remaining shapes. Select all, fill with color, remove stroke. Now the first shape is ready. We will do the same to second shape. Select Bezier tool, add nodes to follow the edge. Double click on the Shape tool and convert to curve. Now drag the lines to fit on edge. To change stroke color, right click on orange color, fit remaining lines. Select top node and convert it to symmetrical node. Continue refining the shape as you want. Fill with color to see the result. With Pick tool, right click and drag to the side, release mouse button and copy here. Scale, add stroke and remove fill. Click and rotate, then move to fit in place. Select Shape tool and move the node, then with node handles fit the lines on the drawing. Now you can repeat the same steps to the remaining shapes. Now for V shapes and parallel straight, you can use the same previous shape. Rotate to same angle, fit the head and move anchor point to the edge and rotate scale, and use shape tool to fit the curves. Now make another copy. Move anchor point to opposite tip and fit in place. Use same process to draw the remaining shapes. Now, with Bezier tool, draw any shape to trim unwanted lines. Make sure to close the shape. Now, with Pick tool, select all drawn shapes and press W to weld. Now select the trim shape, hold Shift and select the other, press M to trim. Now delete trim shape. Select Shape tool and fix your curves. Now continue drawing the remaining part with Bezier tool. Don't forget to make intersection between the two shapes to weld together. Select both and press W to weld. Now the shape is ready. Use the same steps to draw parallel straight. The second method is draw using artistic brush. Select Bezier tool and draw a line. Double-click on Shape tool and convert to curve. Drag to fit at the center of the shape. Change color and thickness. Now go to Window, Dockers, Effects, and select Artistic Media. Make sure the curve selected and click on any type of brushes. Fill with orange to see the effect. Increase stroke width and change the style. As you can see, we got the wanted effect very easily. Do the same to second shape. The upper docker shows the last brush used. Click, reduce stroke width, change color, and the shape is ready. Select Pick tool, right-click, break Artistic Media group apart, change stroke color. Now you can move the curve and delete it. select Shape tool. As you can see, the shape is fully editable as if you draw it with the previous method. You can add new nodes. You can use node handles. Now for the reverse cut. Draw line. Double click, convert to curve, fit at the center. Change color, then select brush style. Here you can see that the shape is reversed. To fix it, select Shape tool, click at the center to select your curve, right-click on the node and select Reverse Subpaths. Now everything is okay. As you can see, you can edit your curve and the effect will change according to the new path. Now right-click, break artistic media group apart, delete the curve, change the stroke color, remove fill color. With Shape tool, edit the shape as you want. You can turn off snap to move your nodes more accurate to the edge. As you can see, there is a lot of styles to use. Now, what if you want to add a custom brush style? To add a custom brush, you can draw any shape you want. Make sure your shape is straight. Fill with color and remove stroke. Now, to add to library, click Save, select brushes, and press OK. Save anywhere you want. Now you can see that a new brush added. You can use it directly. Reduce stroke width. Or you can draw a curve and apply the brush to it. Now I will apply this method to a part of your image. Draw outer edge. Now draw inner edge. Select both. Ctrl+L to combine. Draw the second inner edge. Select both. Ctrl+L to combine together. You can copy the previous shape and edit it to fit, or you can use artistic brush. Now select all, W to weld. Now the part is ready. Look at the image and use any method suitable to it. This is another example about creating a custom brush. And this is more advanced example. Draw a closed line and convert to curve. Now make 4 copies by dragging the first copy, right-click, drag down and copy here, Ctrl+D to duplicate. Change widths. Select all, fill with color, remove stroke. Draw vertical closed line, convert to curve, fill with color and remove stroke. Now make a copy, then Ctrl+D to duplicate. Select all vertical shapes, Ctrl+G to group. While the group selected, shift and select horizontal shape, press C to align horizontally. Select horizontal shapes, Ctrl+G to group. Select all and press E to align vertically. Then Ctrl+G to group all together. Now save as a brush. Draw line and convert to curve. Apply new brush. And this is how to create a crosshatch.